Hello viewers, you are welcome back. We are still treating fluids and dynamics in physics. We talked about gauge pressure and the absolute or the total pressure. And we said the gauge pressure is the pressure measured relative to the atmospheric pressure, and the absolute pressure or the absolute pressure or the total pressure is the pressure measured relative to what? A perfect vacuum. The vacuum must be perfect. And now let's look at the relationship that exists between the gauge pressure and the absolute or the total pressure. So this is the relationship. The absolute pressure is equal to the gauge pressure plus the atmospheric pressure. Please note this, it is very important, this expression. As we see, we'll be using this expression. Okay, so try and record this expression. So we have the absolute pressure equals the gauge pressure plus the atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now let us consider a question. Now the question is, calculate the maximum force in newtons. They say you are questioning in newtons, not in any other units. In newtons, exerted by the blood on an aneurysm in the aorta. And you know that aorta is the largest artery. In the aorta, given that the maximum blood pressure is 140 millimeters of mercury, and the area of the aneurysm is 25 centimeters squared. Someone will be asking or be wondering, what is this aneurysm? Aneurysm, let me say, to bring it to your level, I'll say aneurysm is a condition that results when there is an enlargement of a blood vessel. You get that? So if there is an enlargement of the blood vessel, that is to say the diameter of the blood vessel will increase. You get that? So that is simply aneurysm. Okay. So now let us write our data down and let's proceed. So the solution, let me bring it here. For want of space, let me bring it here. Solution. Calculate the maximum force. So I'm looking for F maximum. That's what I'm looking for. For now, we don't know. And here we're giving the maximum blood pressure. So the maximum blood pressure. So P max is equal to 140 millimeters of mercury. And the area of the aneurysm is 25 centimeters squared. So we have the area equals 25 square centimeters. And now clearly, they are not in their respective SI units. So we have to do justice to those units of measurement. And the question even says, work in newtons, please. I hope you remember this expression, this convention. Remember we said 760 millimeters of mercury in Pascal is the same as what? 1013254 Pascal. Did you get it that way? There is it. And now the question, we're giving 140 millimeters of mercury. So to come here, 140 millimeters of mercury. And now you use your simple proportion to work out this. So this is less. So if there's more, divide. So 140 over 760 multiply 101,325 Pascal. And clearly, by the help of the calculator, I'm getting 18665.13. So my B mass now is 18665.13 Pascal. So we are not going to work with this. No. Now, we need to change this to its respective SI units. If you want to change centimeter square to meter square, don't worry yourself. Just multiply the magnitude given by 10 to the power -4. That's all. When changing it to meter square, sorry. So my area, which is 25 centimeters square, is the same as 25 by 10 to the power -4. You get it that way? So you have your meter square. And this you can use your basic mass. So we have 2.5 by 10 to the power -3 meter square. And that is what my area. And of course, mathematics will tell you that this is the same as. So you have 1, 2, 3. So this is the same as 0. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 0.0025 meter square. They are the same thing. And now let's employ our formula. You know that pressure is equal to force over area. And you have been told to find for the maximum force. So what do you do? Just make force the subject from the expression. And just input or substitute your value to get your answer. So now you know that pressure mass, that's maximum pressure, will be equal to the maximum force over the area. So if you therefore make maximum force the subject, you get so maximum force the same as P mass, that's the maximum pressure multiplied by what? By the area. So F mass will now become, what is my P mass? That is my maximum pressure. I have to go 18665.13 times my area, which is what? 0.0025. Then clearly, by the help of the calculator, I'm getting 46.8 Newton. So this is the maximum force that will be exerted by the blood on a particular patient or the person suffering from this condition, aneurysm. Do you get it that way? Thank you. I'll meet you next time. Goodbye.